and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Alexi and I'm the creator of Bukuras tutorials, the perfect place for any study organization or time management tips. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing my quick, productive afternoon routine. I'll be going over a few simple steps that you can implement after your school day that will help you wrap up the tasks that you've completed that day, but will also get you prepared for tomorrow's school day. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come out with new videos every Thursday, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss out on any of these tips. So let's jump right into the video. The first thing that I recommend doing is unpacking your bag. Now this can be your lunchbox, your backpack, and any other bag that you might bring for your school day. If you have any books that are currently in your backpack that you're not going to need for your day tomorrow, then take those out and put in the books that you are going to need for your day tomorrow. If you have a gym bag or a bag of extra clothes that you'll need for a sports practice, clean that out and make sure you put in a new pair of clothes, that way you're ready to go for tomorrow. Do the same thing with your lunchbox. Take out anything that you use today and get it ready for your lunch tomorrow. The next thing that you can do is organize all of your materials. So this kind of goes along with the first step of unpacking your bags. As you are unpacking, make sure that everything else that is in your bag is in the correct place. So if you have any loose papers or papers that need to be moved from one binder or folder to another, make sure you use the time to do that now. If there's anything that can be thrown away or put in another place, use this time to do that. Taking just a few minutes at the end of every day to unpack and organize your bag is going to make sure that your bag is always tidy and there won't be any unnecessary materials in there. While you are organizing and cleaning your bag, you can also make sure that all of your materials are organized as well. So if you need to add any dates or titles to notes that you've taken, or if you need to organize your Google Drive, use this time to do that now. Now that everything is unpacked and organized, we can move on to your academics. I recommend that you start by reviewing and rewriting your notes that you've taken that day. It's good to get into the habit of doing this on the same day because the information is going to still be fresh in your brain. Reviewing it within a short period of time from taking the notes is just going to help you remember it better. After reviewing and rewriting your notes, you can update your planner or calendar. Now, ideally, you'll be updating this throughout your school day. However, if you forgot or you didn't have time, take the time to do that right now. The sooner that you update your planner, the less likely it's going to be that you forget to write something down. If you were able to complete any work in your planner during the school day, make sure that you update that and adjust your work schedule accordingly. If there were any new long-term assignments that were assigned today, make sure you create a long-term plan in order to get them done. After you've updated your planner, now it's time to prioritize your work for the afternoon. If you're not sure how to prioritize, make sure you go check out my Instagram. I have a whole post on how to effectively do this. After you prioritize, create a to-do list of things that you need to get done this afternoon. Now, even though you have all of this information written down in your planner, it's good to have a short to-do list on a small piece of paper or a little sticky note, so that way you have a quick checklist to go off of as you are working. Think of your planner as a place where you can organize all of your assignments, whether they be short-term or long-term, and think of this to-do list as things that you're going to get done in the next couple of hours. It's really just an abbreviated form of your planner. Once you've written your to-do list, then you can get started on your homework. Try to work in short sessions as you are completing your homework, about 25 to 30 minutes or so at a time. Take short breaks in between those 25 minutes and then get right back to working. Repeat this step a few times until you've completed your homework. Once you've completed your homework, it's time to update that planner again. Cross off anything that you've completed and make sure to adjust any long-term plans that you have if need be. Now, the last bit of academic work that you need to do is repack your bag. Anything that you've taken out, make sure that you put back in so that way you don't forget it when you go to school tomorrow. Now that all of that academic work is done, it is time to relax. Go for a walk, read a book, do some journaling. You've just had a hard day at school and a productive afternoon, so make sure you take some time to yourself in order to relax. So that about covers it, my productive after school routine. If there's something that you include in your routine that I did not discuss, leave a comment down below letting me know what it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.